What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I picked up this machine, a 3-in-1 guillotine folder roller. We're going to make a stand for it just because, as you can see, there's not a lot of space on these benches, especially when I've got other things to do on it. So yeah, come along and we'll make this frame. So first of all, I picked up these rollers. Two of them are braked. And then the other two, they're all swivel casters, just because it'll make it easy to manoeuvre around in here. I had these old stools that I wasn't going to do anything with, so they are perfect length. I'm going to make it 900 tall to the mounting surface, as in where it will bolt on. And then I'll sort of match the bench height. It's just a nice height to work at. So yeah, we'll cut these up. I've got one over here in the saw at the moment. So I'm just going to bang this nutset in all four. folded up, cooled down. I was going to paint them, but I think I'm just going to leave it. Doesn't really matter, it'll blend in with other things. So I'm just going to bolt up the wheels and then see if I can get it bolted up to the machine. Right, so sorry, I forgot to film it, sort of what I did afterwards. So I got the casters bolted on. I need to get some different lengths bolts, but they're just sitting in there for now. You can see they're a bit short. I can cut those ones down. And then welded in a crossbar and then bolted on the machine. So it's looking good. It's a bit damp in here today. I've just used it to make just a quick flange for a drill bit box. Right, so I just got this bit of scrap out. I thought I'd just show you the uses of the machine. So first I'm going to cut it, which is the bottom one. Got to just slightly adjust the clamp up. There we go, nice clean cut on there. Obviously this is aluminium. It's only rated for 1 mil steel, and I think 1.4 I believe it was on aluminium. This is 1.2, 18 gauge. So now, yeah, we'll stick a little roll on it. It's just, I haven't set it up or anything, it's just however it was. So there you go, nice roll. And then, yeah, we'll just give it a little fold as well. There we go, nice little fold in the centre. What's quite nice about this machine, the accessibility of having that sort of brake press style fingers is, you know, you can actually create more shapes than you could with the box and pan folder that you've seen in other videos. If I go the other way, quick little one that way, do the same over there. Yeah, you can see like there's a lot of stuff you can do with this that you just wouldn't be able to do with the box and pan. Great little tool. Got it for a really good price. So yeah, hope you have enjoyed this video. So if you have enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. And we'll have more videos coming on the MX-5 soon. Working on a couple of little things. I've done a little bit behind the scenes, but I'm sure you'll like the next video coming out. Catch you in the next one.